In this two-part video series, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Slides to create a GIF, a graphics interchange format. And then I'm also going to show you how you can use a picture and crop it in drawings to take out pieces. So in this picture of the Bitmoji desk, I wanted to crop out my Bitmoji and be able to use the desk for all of the scenes. So the first thing you're going to do is open up Google Slides. Now, if you notice, my Google Slide is much different as far as the dimensions. So before you do any backgrounds, you're going to go to File, Page Setup, and change it to pixels. I found that the 1200 by 300 pixels works really well for Google Classroom, Google Forms, and other headers. So hit Apply. Once you have that set up, you'll create your Google Classroom, your virtual classroom, just like you would have before, such as backgrounds, images, and everything. I'm going to click over to the one that I've already created, and I'm going to point out a couple things. One, if you notice, there's kind of these shadows behind my objects. If you click on any object and you go to Format Options, it's called a drop shadow. So on this one, a drop shadow adds just that, a shadow to the image. So rather than looking so flat, it gives it some dimension. What I'd like to do is once I add a drop shadow to one item, I like to use the paint roller to copy that, and then I can apply that shadow to any image within my scene. What I do to create the different scenes is I just take the one, make it the way I like it, and then do a 2-finger click or right click, depending on your device, and duplicate the slide. From there, all I do is add a different Bitmoji. So I went through and added various Bitmojis. Then I use the add-on called Creator Studio, and I'm going to create a GIF. When creating the GIF, I want to make sure that I'm choosing the right settings. It defaults to the width of 300. Because I know I want my GIF or my image to be 1200, I put that there. The height will automatically adjust. Then the 2-second interval is fine, but I would like my GIF to be a little faster. Let's jump back over and look at it again. So this speed is 0.5 seconds. So it defaults to 2 seconds. So choose your speed, then you select Animate GIF, and then hit Go. Once you select Go, it takes a moment to process, and then it'll show you 2 options next to what you've selected. There will be a download icon, so you could download it directly to your device, or an eyeball icon, which will then open up the preview as you see here.